Explore the seasons with fun activities. Hey kids, are you ready for a fun-filled journey through the seasons? Each one brings cool surprises and exciting things to do. So grab your imagination hats and let's discover all the fun activities that make spring, summer, fall and winter totally amazing. Ready? Let's jump in. Spring is here and everything's waking up. Flowers bloom, bees buzz, and it's the perfect time to get creative. How about making colourful flower crowns? Pick some blooms, ask a grown-up first, and weave them into a crown. Voila! You're officially part of the spring squad. Love treasure hunts? Go on a bug safari. Grab a notebook and draw all the wriggly, funny critters you spot in your backyard or park. Bonus points for finding a butterfly. They're the spring VIPs. Summer is here, and it's time for sunny adventures. Set up a mini beach day in your backyard or garden with a small pool, sand pit, and your favourite beach toys. Don't forget the sunglasses. You're a star. Want to cool off? Try a watermelon eating contest. Slice up some juicy watermelons, chow down and see who finishes first. It's messy, sticky, and so much fun. Fall brings beautiful orange and red leaves everywhere. Go outside and jump in a pile of crunchy leaves. It's nature's best playground. And hey, why not collect the prettiest ones to make leaf art? Glue them onto paper to create colourful autumn masterpieces. Want something spooky? Make your own mini scarecrow or carve a pumpkin with a silly face. There's no rule that says scarecrows and pumpkins can't be funny. Brrr! Winter is chilly, but don't let that stop the fun. Bundle up and build a snowman with your family. Add silly accessories like sunglasses or a beach hat. It'll be the silliest snowman on the block. If it's too cold outside, make some hot chocolate indoors. Add marshmallows and sprinkles for a tasty winter treat. You'll be snuggly and warm in no time. Wasn't that a blast? Every season has something special just waiting for you to try. Now it's your turn. Go outside, pick your favourite activity, and don't forget to tell your friends to join the fun. Share your seasonal adventures using Nolsh's Seasonal Fun, and let's see who can be the most creative. See you soon.